Hi guys, it's SweetTooth967 bringing you another product description. Thanks for coming along and thanks for putting up with the adverts. Appreciate that, and it's helps me out a great deal. Anyway, enough said of that. I'm bringing you another Quality Foods Family Morello Cherry Pie. What you saying? Oh, Sweet Tooth, what's this now? More weird stuff out there that we've never seen. Well, the thing is, guys, it's the odd bods that are sometimes the best. You know, and we all get sick of paying for expensive Iceland stuff, M&S. You know, when stuff like this can be probably better. This is probably an M&S or Iceland or Tesco, but it's just in an unbranded packaging, really. So there you go. That's just what it looks like. What we're going to do is we're going to cook this out. I'm going to chop it up. I'm going to see what it looks like, what it tastes like. I hope you guys are doing alright. Thanks very much for everyone for coming along and really helped me out, you know, watching my videos. Sometimes I don't answer comments. That's just me. I'm a shy guy, really, you know. Oh God. There you go. So what we're going to do, there's plenty. That stops the pastry from burning. We're going to put this in an electric oven. So I'm going to flip the camera around. There's the oven. Famous oven on just under 200 degrees. Watch you don't knock the tripod over. And we'll be back soon, guys.